In this video, we are going to learn how we can create reference in a note sheet of a e-office. So first of all, we are logging to the e-office system. Now click on this file management system. So we are considering here we are able to see our inbox. So now we are clicking any of the file to write our note. So here we see what are the previous note already available for this file. So there is a two note which are already available in this file, and correspondence is attached. So we have to write our own note here. So we are going to write this note. So as we see in our previous note, our officer is wanted a supporting document for this file. So we have written that as suggested in note 2, medical report for Mr. Sen has been attached herewith. Please refer page 2, page number 2 in the correspondence for your reference. So now we want to hyperlink the note 2 here. So for that we are selecting that note 2 option, then click on this right side where the button is showing references. Now we want to refer the note 2, so we are clicking by note number and then choose the corresponding note and click on this OK button. So here we are able to see it is already hyperlink. Now we want to hyperlink the PDF. So as we are saying that page number 2 is our main reference page, so we are clicking on this page number 2, selecting on this, again we are selecting on this reference button and put the corresponding page number where we want to reference, then click on this OK button, and again we are seeing that this portion is hyperlinked. So now we want to check whether it is properly hyperlinked or not. Click on this preview button. Here we are able to see that this note 2 and page number 2 is both are hyperlinked. So clicking on this note 2, what we are see that we able to see that note 2 is properly hyperlinked. Then close it. Again click on this preview button, click on this page number 2. We are able to see that corresponding pages where we want to refer is properly showing. So now we are closing this one, and now we send this file for the approval. Click on this send button. So our file is sent. So now we able to check in the our sent section of the file. Okay, now we are able to see that the file is sent to the corresponding user. So click on this file. We have getting that our references are properly linked with Note 2. We are able to see that portion, and again click on this page number. It is pointed to the corresponding pages. This portion is highly useful when we have a multiple notes in a single file, or any correspondence which has more than 20 or 30 pages and we want to refer a particular page. So this two method is very useful in that case. So now we are at the end of this session. Thank you.